Philosophy is never about new information. It's about very familiar things like knowledge. And yet we can't seem to grab it and define it. Welcome everybody to my little course on Plato's Theaetetus. My name is Richard Polt. I've been teaching philosophy at Xavier University for over 30 years. And this is a Platonic dialogue that I've taught almost every year. And the teacher in the room really is Plato, but you shouldn't necessarily believe what he says or think that he has good arguments. In fact, I think often we're supposed to see that he doesn't have good arguments. He's also ironic, he's playful, he's messing with people's minds. Well, what is this thing that we're involved in? Why are we here? What are we aiming at? What does it mean to be human? That's the question. Maybe this very ideal of, quote, knowledge it's a phantom. It's something divine and not human. They agree that they don't know what knowledge is, right? How do they know that they failed? How do they know that they don't know? If we could answer that, we would know what knowledge is. He's being put on trial for his life. This is it. So we knew from the beginning this was near the end of Socrates' life, but we didn't know how near. He's about to be executed. I know that I am a soul or a psyche. I'm a mind. Can the machine do what I do? Can it make a mistake? Can it have a perception even? I'm not convinced.